having the opportunity, I had goosebumps because you never know every time you work on new samples from anywhere. And in this case, it would be a new place from the moon. It opens up so many possibilities of discoveries and new scientific findings. Hope that this is the beginning of a very long-term collaboration between the UK and scientists in China, and we can use it as a blueprint for perhaps expanding this to the rest of the world.